Hi everyone, this is Chef Colin here, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a miso salmon with garlic fried rice using this thermos dolphin wok. Right, so it has a very unique handle over here in the shape of a dolphin, and it fits your hand perfectly. And also the unique feature of it, there you go, you can put your cover like this, and this is a stainless steel wok. Right, so now let's marinate the salmon. Right, so I have miso paste over here on both sides. Turn it over and brush on the skin as well. So just like that, we'll set it aside for 15 minutes to marinate. So right now I'm going to steam the broccoli. I'm going to put it in the steamer rack, put it in the water, and some of the benefits of this stainless steel cookware, it has a very long lifespan and it's durable. Okay, so just going to cover it. Put on the heat and let it boil. Right, so it's steaming hot, and let's open the cover, put it aside, and I'm going to put in the broccoli and cover it again. So just steam it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm going to prepare the garlic fried rice. Right, so pour the oil into the wok. Now you can put in the garlic, so just stir it. Right, so it's turning golden brown, and I'm going to add in the rice. I'm going to stir it, and wow, just look at the color. It's amazing. Okay, so just going to season it with some salt. Give it a good stir. Right, so we are done here. Right, so let's fry the egg now. Pour in the oil, heat up the pan. Alright, so now it's time to fry the egg, and as you can see, there's an even heat distribution in the wok. Right, so right now I'm going to prepare the salmon. I'm going to pan fry it, and I'm going to pour in the oil. So heat up the oil and the pan together, and make sure it's hot enough to prevent it from sticking. Right, so it's hot enough, and I'm going to put in the salmon and let it cook skin side down for 3 minutes. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes, and I'm going to turn the salmon over